Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog from Kerala. I had finished arranging our bedrooms and wardrobes, hence emptied our luggage bags. I had kept the kitchen towards the end as I had ordered few stuff from Amazon for kitchen and cleaning purposes. Not just that, arranging kitchen takes more time for me, hence kept it last. I'm not going in detail with each and everything that I ordered, showing you some items which might be helpful for you all. This is spray mop, a similar one I had in Riyadh. You can get the same on Amazon. You need to fill water in this bottle. And for spraying, it's there on the handle. There's a mat below, and I guess you can get this alone separate. This is not from Amazon but from IKEA Riyadh. I loved how it looks and I need to buy a small bulb for it. We'll show you in another vlog. This is again from IKEA, but you can get a similar one in Amazon too. Shall link all these in the description box. This one I actually bought for lighting while sitting either in the garden or in our balcony. I had also bought mini stuff from Amazon Pantry, which I got it delivered in 48 hours. Whatever you order in a day, they deliver all together in a box. This is nothing sponsored, I'm just helping you all out if you need so. But before buying anything, please check out the review section so that you don't get fooled. This is a vegetable cleaning solution which I felt was a much needed one. Found good reviews, hence bought this. These are air fresheners bought to keep in toilets. However you clean your bathrooms or toilets, there would be some odd smell, and that would be felt by an outsider rather than someone in-house. This is bathroom floor cleaner from Harpic, which has been well packed, hence no leakage. These are tiny planters. It's 5 in a set. I had asked my mom to keep one with her so that she could plant something for me. These are storage boxes. I have bought bigger size ones from Riyadh, but due to excess weight issues, I had to pack those in cargo. So I bought these smaller sizes from Amazon. These pickles are from my mom. That's gooseberries, pineapples, mangoes. And this lemon pickle is from my mother-in-law. We get freshly ground spice powders. I normally don't buy any packaged ones from shops. We have someone in the family having this business, hence we feel very safe to buy from them. These are coriander powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. The best thing about buying these are you need very little while cooking because of the good quality. This is a rod for hanging towel. I bought this for kitchen so that I can hang towels for wiping my hands. These can be held on doors and it's quite strong enough. It's stainless steel as well. Window cleaner where it's 2 in 1. There's a cleaning brush and a wiper. Fill the solution in this bottle and you can spray. Fill the solution in this bottle and you can spray. This is Eczema Cream for Rihan as the climate in Kerala doesn't suit well for his skin. He starts getting rashes after few weeks. Found good reviews for this cream, hence bought this one. This is another one I had seen on noon.com in Riyadh. Found the same in Amazon. This is soap pump dispenser with sponge holder. This is very easy to use, unlike mixing dish liquid in a bowl and then get it wasted later. The liquid inside this box will stay without getting spoiled and you'll be using only what's needed. I am a follower of Ruchita Divekar who suggests to have halim seeds for hair growth, hence bought the organic one. This is stainless steel spoon rest, very thick and good quality one. Seeing this, even my mom bought one for her. This is spice rack that you might have seen. It was bought from Home Center in Riyadh. Shall link a similar one below. These are green chili plants that I had shown in my previous video. Lots and lots here. It's really lovely to get fresh green chilies from your garden and use the same in cooking. I had taken my money plants from Riyadh in my luggage and it has reached safely with us. I had kept in water as soon as we came here. I don't have enough pots to plant it. For the time being, I'm using a small glass pot which was lying around. Moved a few in there and placed on the cabinet here. Our quarantine period was over. We all tested negative for COVID, and thank God. My in laws and everyone in the family had come home next day. I was actually waiting for my mother in law to show me how to start preparing the green chilies for what we call KONDATTAM. I don't know what's it called in your place. It's basically chilies dipped in curd and put to dry. We then fry it and have it with rice as a side. Slightly give a slit to each green chilies. Try not to tear fully apart, just one small tear. Once everything is over, keep some water for boiling, not too much, just a glass. Cook the green chilies just until it slightly changes its color, almost to a dull color. Once it's done, turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. I had prepared it previous night, so kept it overnight. Now dry it under sunlight for around 5 to 6 hours. Now you need to prepare curd for dipping the green chilies. This is 2 packs of sour curd, around 5 to 6 cups of curd. Mix in salt. There should be enough salt in it. You could beat the curd in a mixer to remove the lumps, which I realized only later that I could have done it. It's always better to use a clay pot for preparing it. Add all the green chilies to a pot and pour the curd mix over it. Cover the pot and let it sit overnight. In the morning, strain the excess curd and don't throw it. You will need the curd again for dipping. If you want, you can keep the curd in fridge until needed. I used a steel tray to spread the green chilies. Do not throw this curd, you will need it. On this day, it was a bit cloudy and there was less sun. Anyway, I kept it out for drying. Around at 4 in the evening, I felt it would rain. Hence, I took all the trays inside. Again, you need to dip the chilies in the same curd. This time, I blended to remove the lumps. Cover and let it sit overnight. I had kept in the fridge. Then it's all repetition. You need to do until the curd mix is completely sucked in the green chilies. Keep under the sun till the chilies are completely dry and crisp. I'm still keeping it out daily to dry it. We'll show you all later once it's ready. Many of you had asked about the kurtis I had shown in my previous video. Most of them I use are cotton material, which is really comfortable to wear at home as the climate here is slightly humid right now. I have shared the details and the link in the description box. Do check them if you need. I always check the reviews before purchasing, hence I got the best without flaws. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll be back with more vlogs. Not sure when I'll be able to get on track with recipes, but we'll try my level best to show you all more varieties rather than just cooking. We'll take you all along wherever we travel in Kerala, hence travel vlogs will definitely be uploaded. See you all soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.